Good morning, sir. I am Bhaskar Datta from Computer Science of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Subject name is Probability and Statistics. Topic is Hypothesis Testing. Question: Memory capacity of 10 students was tested before and after following training. Test whether the training was effective or not from the following scores. Before scoring is 12, 14, 11, 8, 7, 10, 3, 0, 5, 6. After training is 15, 16, 10, 7, 5, 12, 10, 2, 3, 8. Next topic. What is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to make decisions or inference about a population based on sample data. It helps us determine whether there is enough evidence to support a specific claim or not. Basic terminology: null hypothesis into not. A statement that there is no effect or no difference. It assumes the status quo. Example: training has no effect on memory capacity. Alternative hypothesis: H1 or HA. A statement that there is an effect or a difference. Example: training improves memory capacity. Steps in hypothesis testing. First step is state the hypothesis. H naught difference. H naught is no difference. Example: mu is equal to mu 2. H1 there is a difference. Example: mu1 equal not to mu2. Second step is choose significance level. A. Usually 0.05 into 5 percentage. It means you are okay with a 5% chance of being wrong if you reject H0. Step 3 is calculate the test statistic. Use approximate formula. Example: t test, z test. Example. Fourth step is find the critical value or p value. Fifth step is compare and make decision. If test statistic greater than critical value, right mark, reject H0. If p value less than a, right mark, reject H0. Sixth step is draw a conclusion. Based on the result, state whether there is enough evidence to support to him. Next slide is type of hypothesis test. Test type, when to use. Z test is large sample n greater than 30 and non-population variance. T test means small sample n get less than 30 unknown population variance. Chi-square test means for categorical data. ANOVA means comparing more than two groups. Go to next slide. Example from your question. H0 is training has no effect on memory. H1 is training has a positive effect on memory. Use a pay to test because the same group is tested twice. Result: not enough evidence to reject H0. Training may not be effective. Solution: for the above question is in the below slide. Let the sample size n is equal to 10. Null hypothesis H0 is mu1 is equal to mu2. Alternative hypothesis H1 mu1 not equal to mu2. Level 3 level of significance alpha is equal to 5%. Assuming H0 is true, then the test status is t is equal to t bar minus mu by S by root n, where E bar is equal to sigma di by n, comma d is equal to x minus y. S square is equal to 1 by n minus 1 sigma into di minus d bar square whole square equal sigma di square minus t whole square into n by n minus 1. Students are 10 members. Before training, after training, difference d is equal to after minus before, d square. After minus before, total score is after minus before minusing 12, 15 minus 12, 3 minus 3, 16 minus 14 minus 2, 10 minus 11, 1, 7 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 1, 2, 12 minus 10, 2, 10 minus 3 minus 7, 2 minus 0 minus 2, 3 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 6 minus 2. Total sigma d is equal to 1 minus 12. dA square total is sigma dA square is equal to 84. The difference of mean d bar is equal to sigma di n. D bar is equal to minus 12 by 10 is minus 1.2. S square is equal to 84 minus into minus 1 by 2 whole square into 10 by 10 minus 1. This is summation 7.73. S is equal to root is come to right side, root 7.73, 2.71. T is equal to d bar by 8 by root n. D means minus 1.2 by S means 2.71 by n means 10. Total is minus 1.365 and here V is equal to 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, n means 10, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. The calculated value T alpha at 5% level of significance with V9 is a T alpha to alpha by 2 is equal to 1.833. H alpha T H sum alpha T at 5% level at significance with V is equal to 9. Since the calculated value of one is there is no significant difference, change is memory capacity after the training program. Thank you.